Hi, I'm Matej.
I'm Andraž.
And I'm Jan.
And we're at the Youth Center in Litija, Slovenia. We just got a 3D printer kit and we're ready to build it from scratch and see what we can make with it.
The kit comes with a lot of parts, but fortunately we have a USB drive with instructions and the parts list.
And da te to zvi.
Ja, ali se pa prelepka se loteva.
Večka ne, čak. Večka imate? Puli.
To so prazne vrtike. It took us about 15 hours to put the printer together before we could start fine-tuning all the different parameters and settings.
Ja, se dobro, se ne greva čez to.
The nozzle is like hitting into the plastic. Your first prints could look like this. But eventually, things start coming out alright.
Basically, the printer works by melting layers of plastic onto a hot bed. The filament runs off a spool through an extruder. It's moved by programmable motors up and down and side to side. The plastic builds up layer by layer on the bed as it moves forward and backward. You can use the printer to print designs you find online. You can also print designs you create yourself using 3D modeling software. 3D printer technology is getting more accessible and more powerful. You can use it at home, and it's also common in industrial manufacturing.
Now we have a 3D printer at MC Litija and it's available for you to try.
We are glad we had the chance to get it up and running, and we look forward to seeing what you create with it.